Hello and welcome friends, my name is Sonu Singh and once again you have started watching me through this YouTube channel. So many times it happens that you are able to speak English but you want to improve your fluency and you want to be a confident speaker. And in order to be that, you purchase so many grammar books, you purchase so many online courses, you join different classes, but still you feel that you are stuck. Your level of fluency or your level of confidence is not improving or it is not increasing. So why does it happen that it is not improving? First problem that we face in order to become a confident speaker is that fear of perfection. When we try to speak in English language, even if we are good in it, even if we can express ourselves with much comfort and ease, we feel that our English is not perfect enough. When we listen to somebody, we think that the English is better and my English is bad. And that's the reason that we underestimate ourselves. And when you give these kinds of feedback to yourself, you'll realize that you are not good enough. And that's when you feel nervous and you feel less confident. So how can we remove this thing? See, if you suppose meet somebody and they are speaking better than you, so you think that that person is perfect. But on the contrary, that person talk to somebody else and he realizes that somebody else's English is better. So it is not like someone can be perfect. No matter someone is native speaker or someone is speaking English as a second language, the level may be different, but it is not a question of perfection because no one can be perfect. So it is all about level. So if you see the confident speaker, they have one formula and that is they focus all the attention on the information, on the message. So once you understand this thing that no one can be perfect, and if you understand that secret of confident speaking is not the grammar, it is not becoming perfect. It is all about practicing it every day. Create a different kind of situation like role play or finding out the English speaking partner, or if you do not have anyone, you can just record yourself. So with these kinds of platform, with these kinds of opportunity, you will practice every day. And if you practice every day, then you realize that maybe your grammatical understanding, your vocab is not very good, but still when it comes to express yourself in English language, you do not find any difficulty. So you have to understand this thing that no one can be perfect. It is all about practice. If you want to become a confident speaker, do not strive for perfection. Only strive for one thing, and that is how much effort you are putting in. Second thing is that if you really want to become a good and confident speaker, you have to humor your failure. Because when we try to speak any other language, we always have this fear that what if I make a wrong sentence? What if my English is not good enough? Someone will laugh at me. So do not think that someone would laugh at you. If you commit mistake, create a humor out of it. It happens that people who are looking as a superstar to you, they do so many takes, they do so many retakes, and they try to practice, they try to come up with a stronger appearance on the screen. It is not like they are in front of the camera and in one take they give amazing shot and they give amazing presentation. It is not possible. But when someone look at them on the screen, they see the perfection. So if you see somebody is doing really good work, and if you see that someone's English or any kind of skill and talent is amazing, it means that they have taken so many retakes and they have practiced a lot, and that's why they are appearing very strong in front of you. So you have to do the same thing, that when you get success, I'm not talking about only English speaking, I'm talking about anything, that when you get success, make sure that you celebrate your success, because when you celebrate your success, you create good memories. But when you face failures, create a humor out of it. If you do not create humor out of it, someone else will create humor and then you will be embarrassed. So if you start creating humor out of your own failure, you will lose this fear that someone will laugh at you. And that's how you can embrace the failure, you can learn from it, and you can reach to the destination where you want to reach. Without failure, you cannot achieve progress or you cannot achieve success in anything. So always remember these tips, that create humor out of your failure and celebrate your success. Next thing is that you have to believe, because no matter what you are doing, when you start your journey, you are not capable, you do not have that strength, you do not have that resources. But if you see any other person who have achieved success in their life, they have all started from nothing, they have all started from zero. But it was their effort, it was their belief that led him to that success. So if you believe that you can be a perfect speaker, you can be a fluent speaker, definitely you will find out the resources, you will find out the help from teachers, from friends, and every day you will inch closer towards your success, towards your goal. Because the journey of any successful destination starts from nothing, starts from zero. But you need to have the self-confidence, you need to have the belief system. If you believe that yes, it is possible, no one can stop you from making that your reality. Next thing is that when you read something, it always happens that we are reading the books, we are reading the novels or newspaper. So when you read something, make sure that you observe every word. In the beginning, what happens that we have the challenge to pronounce the word, we have the challenge to just understand that how to read certain sentences and certain paragraphs. But when you go deeper into the practice, when you go deeper into your learning journey, you have to observe each word and you try to understand the meaning and context of it. Because if you develop this habit, maybe I'm not saying that if you read newspaper you come across 1000 words or 2000 words, so you will understand each and every word. But if you observe each and every word, you will increase the familiarity and you'll try to understand the context. If you do not understand the exact meaning of any word, still there are chances that you will use it in the right form and at the right place. Why? Because you understand the context of that word. Sometimes it happens that if someone is old learner or if someone is an old English speaker, they do not understand the Hindi meaning of that word. They do not even understand the exact meaning of that word, but they understand the context, and that's why they can use that word at perfection. So that's why if you read the newspaper or anything, make sure that you observe word and you try to understand the context, and it will help you to build your vocabulary. Shashi Tharoor, once in an interview, someone asked him the question that how is it possible that you use so amazing words and every time you come up with the latest and advanced kinds of words, so how did you prepare this vocab? So he said one simple thing, that I never consulted the dictionary. I learned everything through the reading. So if you do the reading with your close observation, you will understand the context of the words and you will build your vocab. So these are the formulas. If you follow, you can be one of the amazing and perfect speaker. I hope that you like my video, and if you like my video, then hit the subscribe button, like and share. Thank you for staying with me. See you in the next video.